What's going on, everybody? Not even gonna lie, I thought I lost everything in this tent. I'm gonna go ahead and get her on open, and we'll give you this update. All right, so before we get started, I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm gonna give you a real quick backstory here. Um, so real quick, just in case you're new to the channel, you've been wondering what's been going on. I ended up in the hospital. I had a heart attack, really bad one, widowmaker. Tombstone heart attack. So yeah, I almost wasn't here today, but I made it, and I'm back at it again. So the whole situation, it just caught me off guard. I didn't have time to stay on top of my grow. I didn't have time to stay on top of my setup like I usually would. And that's where things started going sideways really bad. So I had 2 Humboldt plants in here, the blueberries, and 4 clones that I was given. I'll go get you the names for those here in a minute, but yeah, so they just got transplanted. I didn't get a chance to give them the proper watering after the transplant, or even finish the proper transplant. I like to saturate the medium the first time, and then do a dry back, let the roots get a chance to kind of settle in. And emergency, I had to leave. I had to take off. Get you off the stand here so I can show you a little bit about what's been going on, kind of reflect what's been going on in here. You can see the leaves here. Okay. I had some major problems with nutrient lockout. There was just too much salt buildup from the soil. They're starting to recover. You can see the tops. They're coming back now. Definitely starting to recover. So we're doing okay on that. I got some of these plants called shot caller, and then lemon drip as well. Okay, so 2 lemon drips, 2 shot callers, and 2 blueberry muffin by Humboldt. So I'm looking forward to those. I'm getting those all growing here, but I haven't even had a chance to top any of these, to really do anything, start the feeding schedule. Nothing. I've been in recovery mode myself, so these are a little bit stretchy. They got stretchy. I haven't topped any of them. I haven't femmed any of them. Like I said, they were so stressed. I didn't want to add any more stress. They weren't taking any nutrients the way that they should have. They were locking out. I had to do a reset on the media. That's on me. That's on me. That's what happens when you don't have time to take care of these ladies, But they're in recovery, and they're starting to bounce back now. So yeah, they definitely stretched a bit. They are trying to recover. They're definitely taller than I'd like. But I haven't topped anything. I'd rather let them fully recover and get strong again before I start doing any kind of training. And this is a bigger tent, so I could run them. I can grow these, let these ones just grow wild. Why the hell not, right? So yeah, I want to touch on one more thing here. Go ahead and pop this camera angle up here. I am rocking a new piece of equipment in here. I got that Mars Hydro. It's the foldable MH480. It's the foldable 480 watt Mars Hydro Light. I am rocking that for this grow. I still have those Vitebar Spectra XS 1500 Pros, which are fantastic lights, okay? But I'm going to keep those as secondaries, backups, and if I want to do something else, we're going to flip-flop to that. So, giving this light a test, I'm going to let everybody know what this, how this light performs with this grow. So far, it seems to be pretty solid. I want to give it a full run, though, before I really give an opinion on it. Just so everybody knows, I want to thank my sponsors. Again, this is the Mars Hydro FCE 4800. I need to thank my sponsors, me, myself, and I, for making this all possible. And yeah, so back to the ladies. we're gonna go ahead and get these going. You know, I'm hoping this new light works out good here. I got one more thing to mention here. I know you guys who are part of the channel, been part of this community for a while, you know about this. You might be wondering, I was never able to give away that canvas print. Okay, I still have this damn thing. Nobody claimed it. Nobody claimed it. They didn't claim it, and then I went into the hospital, and I haven't had a chance to get back to the drawing. So we're going to be doing the drawing again for this coming week. Okay, I will announce it in a community post. I'll announce it again in the future. It's going to be someday this coming week, towards the end of the week. So I'm thinking maybe Friday, Saturday type deal. If your name was in the entry already, I still have it. I did not pull anybody's name out of there. You're still in it. No new entries are available. This is an old contest that I really owe this to the winner, and I am so sorry everything happened the way that it did. But I'm glad that it still worked out, and I'm here to still give it away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update. It's been a rough week. It's been a rough month. But everything's still here. Everything's still growing, getting things back on track. I'll keep you updated on how these recover, and we'll see how this run finishes out here, as well as those brand new ladies I just got started in the 2x4. We will be doing an update on that. I also have some new content coming as well, some future content ideas, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video and has a great day. Enjoy this weekend that is up and coming. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend, man. You know, I started looking at life a little differently after you have something like this happen to you, man. It causes you to reflect. So I really appreciate each and every last one of you. Want to point that out as well. And like I always say, I will catch you on the next one.